that there are many controversies coming up now. Khalistani separatist Amritpal Singh, he had filed a nomination 4 days back. The nomination has been accepted. That's the big breaking news we're getting in right now. He's still in jail. Remember, he's still locked in jail. He is going to contest the Lok Sabha polls now as an independent. Amritpal's nomination has been accepted from Punjab's Khadur Sahib constituency. Remember, his lawyer had earlier filed the nominations, and this is the big update we have right now. Amritpal Singh, who is in Guwahati jail, he is now going to contest the elections, the Lok Sabha elections. This man, who once said that he will believe in the constitution if he wants to, he had questioned the constitution, and now he wants to be a part of the process of the constitution. He wants to be part of the constitutional process, that is the democratic process, that is the Lok Sabha elections. Amritpal Singh's nomination accepted from Khadur Sahib. Remember, his lawyer had earlier filed his nomination and from the Punjab seat, Harjot Singh, and his relative and Sukhchand Singh and 5 others on behalf of him in Khadur Sahib had filed the nomination on Friday, and nomination was filed by lawyers and relatives, and of course Amritpal's decision, what we understand as far as his father is concerned, that he did not want to elect, he didn't want to contest, but what he calls the Sangat's decision. Now we will be cutting across to Gursimran, who is joining us live on the broadcast for more. Gursimran, now this is a big update we are getting in. Khalistani separatists' nomination has been now accepted. The same man who once had questioned the constitution.
See, it is a tactics actually to get Amritpal out of the jail. Now Amritpal's nomination has been accepted from the constituency of Khadur Sahib. The deputy commissioner, who happens to be the returning officer of the constituency, the Taran Taran deputy commissioner, he has accepted his nomination. Not only Amritpal's nomination, but also his father Tarsem Singh's nomination too has been now accepted. And apart from this, it is interesting to watch because there is another lookalike of Amritpal Singh, who is also named Amritpal Singh, but he's from Moga. His nomination too has been accepted. There are a total of 35 candidates from this Khadur Sahib Lok Sabha constituency that is going to polls on 1st of June, and the family members of Amritpal Singh, they are all holding campaigns for Amritpal Singh. The Shiromani Akali Dal, the Aam Aadmi Party, the Congress Party, they have come out with their best candidates against Amritpal Singh. So if we see of the political circles, Amritpal is getting absolutely zero support. Now what is the family of Amritpal is relying upon? The Panthak seat, because the Khadur Sahib is considered as the Panthak seat, which has almost 75% of the population as the Sikh population, and that is what they are relying upon. They want the sentiment votes to go in favor of Amritpal, but it has to be seen how things actually pan out. But the contest for Amritpal Singh is not going to be easy, because there is another lookalike person who is also an independent candidate that is also in fray. So it has to be kept in mind how things actually pan out. We are told that in next probably today or tomorrow, because tomorrow is the last date of the withdrawal of the nomination, then his father will take back his name, because his father's nomination too has been accepted. Then it will only be Amritpal Singh in the fray, and it has to be seen that how things actually pan out from here.